Since you are here, you are obviously way smarter than everybody else around you, and you have figured out that passive income is the best and only way you can truly be free to do the things that you want to do. Free to wake up when you want, free to go wherever you want, free to spend time with your family, free to buy whatever you want, free to literally do whatever you want to do. Because when you have passive income, the world turns into your very own playground. I'm Annie, and that's what my channel is about, finding real ways to make real passive income online, starting from the ground up. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button to help my small channel grow. And stick around to the end of this video to find out what the best ways to make passive income online in 2023 are. Let's get right into this one today. So I'm not going to give you a ranking from number 3 to number 1, like this is the third best thing and this is the first best thing, because why does anybody do that? I don't need to know what the second and third best things are. I want to know what the top thing is. So I am giving you top 3, but they're all number 1. So they're all the best in different categories. And I currently use all 3 of them to make passive income online. You could try one of them or all of them or none of them, but they are my favorite. And I don't have a business degree or a marketing degree. I don't have rich parents. I don't have a finance degree. I never used to work at a finance institution. I literally learned everything I know just from listening to other people and from Googling the rest. I'm not a guru. I'm just a real person who was trying to find a legit way to make money online, and I just kept getting scammed, and I just kept wishing that there was some person that I could listen to who would be real with me and tell me the best way to make passive income online. Somebody who didn't used to work at, a finance place for 25 years before they quit their job, or a marketing firm before they quit their job. Like, I wanted somebody who knew nothing and who had built their way up and found the best courses and programs to do that, and who was going to tell me the truth. And I couldn't find that person, so I just decided to become that person. So that's what I'm trying to do for you. Here we go. This is the program that I started with. Affiliate Tube Success Academy. What is it? It's a complete YouTube affiliate marketing tutorial that teaches you how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing through YouTube. You might be thinking, I don't want to use YouTube and show my face and make videos and use my voice. You don't have to. Watch till the end and I'll show you how. So if you're shy or you've never made a video in your whole life, that's okay. Rest assured, you do not have to all of a sudden become an extrovert and an entertaining human being. It also shows you a little known loophole to rank number 1 on Google in minutes, not 24 hours, not a week from now after you've put in a ton of SEO immediately. And you already know that if you can get to number 1 on the top of the first page of Google, that you could literally sell anything to anyone and be good at it. I haven't seen any other course that does that. So who was it created by, and can you trust them? Paul Murphy, he's a legit dude that built his business from the ground up. He doesn't fill you with fluff. He tells you exactly what he did to build his business up this way to make passive income every month. He gives you the exact same steps that he is still using today. So what's different about it than every other course that you see advertised online? This training is all about traffic from the 2 biggest search engines known to man, YouTube and Google. Traffic is what equals money online. Traffic equals eyes on your product. Customers, people seeing what you're selling, what you're doing, that's what equals money, because if nobody sees your product, you could have the best product in the world, but if nobody sees it, nobody's gonna buy it. So that's what this program teaches first, is traffic. And that's something pretty different than any other course I've seen. Most courses teach you affiliate marketing, but they don't teach you the traffic side of it. He does that first. So who is this program good for? People who want an easy way to start a passive income business online without having to be technical, without having to create a product, without having to create a website, without designing logos and labels and dealing with customer service and complaints and refunds. You don't have to deal with any of that. It's also good for beginner affiliate marketers who need a real way to make money with affiliate marketing. And it's also good for more advanced affiliate marketers who haven't really been able to get enough traffic to actually make money with affiliate marketing. So who's it not good for? If you're the type of person that doesn't want to have to put in any work at all, this is not going to be good for you, because you do have to put in some work in the beginning. You have to make a YouTube channel, you have to create some content, some videos. And I'll give you a hint, if you find a course that tells you you don't have to do anything and you're still going to make a whole bunch of money, it's not real. The cost is $9.97 one time, you own it, no upsells, no fees, no monthly costs, no extra software that you need. $9.97, it's yours forever. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. So if you want to send it back, get your refund after 30 days, you can do it for any reason. It's a big investment for a lot of people, but it's a very reasonable price to be able to start your own complete online business and start making passive income. Plus, I bet it costs less than the last iPhone that you bought. Just saying. So, priorities. But I understand it is a big investment. So here's my final thoughts on this program, kind of sum it all up for you. The only cost that you need to know is upfront. There's no hidden fees. So if you can't afford $9.97, you already know you can't afford it. There's not going to be, it's not like, oh, it's only $20. And then once you get in there, it's going to be a whole bunch more money. It's one time, $9.97. Most courses teach you how to do affiliate marketing or do some kind of marketing or way to make money online, but they don't show you traffic. They're just like, this is affiliate marketing or this is local marketing, but they don't show you how to actually get traffic. And that is the important part. That's the hard part. That's why a lot of courses don't show you that part, because that's the tricky part. This course shows you how to do that first. Then you could literally sell anything to anybody and you can go anywhere from there. There's no paid ads. Hallelujah. Facebook paid ads went up by like 100% last year. Ads are so expensive. That's another thing. A bunch of courses are like, this course only costs $50, but then once you buy it, oh, we didn't tell you that you're gonna have to spend $1,000 a month on ads in order to be successful. This does not use paid ads. It uses 100% free organic traffic with YouTube and Google. And Paul is teaching you YouTube. YouTube is the #1 streaming platform in the entire world, bigger than Netflix. And guess who owns YouTube? Google, the #1 search engine in the world. So if you think that there's a better place to get traffic than YouTube and Google, think again. And Paul is basically teaching you how to hack them both. Those are my final thoughts on Affiliate Tube Success Academy. It's an amazing system. It's how I got started. I still use it today, every single day. Highly recommend it. We're gonna get right into the next one. It's called Automated Profit Partners System, or APPS for short. After I created my YouTube channel with Affiliate Tube Success Academy and realized that I was ranking #1 on Google and could basically sell anything I wanted, I decided I wanted to sell other legit high quality programs that could teach other people how to make passive income online too. Like I said, I wanted to be that person that I was looking for several years ago who would show me legit high quality ways to make passive income online. And that's when I found APPS. This is another high ticket affiliate marketing course that teaches you high ticket affiliate marketing using Facebook Messenger. This is the only course I've ever seen online that teaches you how to use Facebook Messenger to do affiliate marketing. So that's pretty cool right there. But it is also way more than that. And the reason why I bought it, being a high ticket affiliate marketer, is because it gains you access to their list of 19 different high quality, high ticket products that you can promote and sell yourself as an affiliate marketer. Their exclusive high ticket affiliate marketing program is the best one that I have ever seen. And I say exclusive not to be clickbaity, but because you can actually only gain access to their products if you are an APPS member. So it is extremely unsaturated. You also earn 50% commissions on their products, which is amazing. And all of their products are from $500 to $2,000. So your commissions are always anywhere from about $250 to $1,000 commissions every single time. That in itself is already worth the price of this program to join. You could literally make your money back with one sale. But then it's also a complete affiliate marketing system showing you how to use Facebook Messenger, which less than 1% of affiliate marketers do. And it's still the only program that I have seen teach this. So who was it created by and can you trust them? Ron Douglas. He's a very well-known online entrepreneur, personality, and mentor. He has thousands of successful students, a private Facebook group with over 10,000 members. He's a New York Times bestselling author. He's a very down-to-earth, legit guy who taught his wife how to make money online using this too. And he holds live webinars every Wednesday with top online entrepreneurs, multimillionaires, gurus, as well as being an online multimillionaire himself. And as an APPS member, you have access to these live webinars every single week, and they are gold. So what's different about this course than every other online course you've seen online? I've already told you a few things, but let's just kind of run through them. The actual affiliate marketing training that he provides you with is teaching you how to use Facebook Messenger as an affiliate marketing traffic source, which less than 1% of affiliate marketers are currently using, and no other online training course is teaching. So you're really getting in on the ground floor with this one. And then the exclusive high ticket affiliate program that you have access to with 19 different high ticket, high quality products. We already just talked about that, but that is a huge difference. You cannot find any other affiliate program as good as this one. Trust me on that. You get 50% commissions. All of the products are around $500 to $2,000, and they are all high quality, vetted by Ron and his team. That's really just something that you're not going to find anywhere else, and especially not for this price. I have seen one other affiliate program that has a few high ticket products that's exclusive like this, and it was $5,000 just to get access to the products. So who is this program good for? People who don't have a lot of extra time on their hands to create their own product and their own website, deal with customer service. This is another passive business where you don't have a ton of extra stuff that you have to do for 8 hours a day. So you could do this in your spare time for a couple hours a week and make it work. This is for people who have tried affiliate marketing and haven't been successful with it, or you're a beginner affiliate marketer and you just don't know how to make sales. This is really good for that. This is gonna make you sales. This is also for people who have tried to do affiliate marketing using Facebook ads or any other type of marketing using Facebook ads and you've lost a whole bunch of money. If you've ever tried Facebook ads, you have lost a whole bunch of money. I know you have. This is way, way better than that. And also for any beginner affiliate marketer who just needs one place to really build up their business and learn a really good way to be a high ticket affiliate marketer. Okay, so the cost for this program too is $997 again, which again, I know is a lot of money for some people. It's a big investment, but it's really reasonable for the amount of content that you receive. The affiliate training is amazing, and the list of products that you have access to is worth that price alone. Also, I said it before and I'll say it again, it's probably less than the price of your last iPhone, so priorities. So my final thoughts, just to wrap it all up in one place again, all of the products that you have access to selling are high ticket, so hundreds to thousands of dollars in commissions on every single sale. They're all high quality, they've all been vetted by Ron and his team, so they're easy to sell. It's the best affiliate program and list of products that I have ever seen. They are actually good products that you would want to buy yourself. You actually have to be a little bit careful. And pro tip, don't ever sell anything that you wouldn't want to buy yourself. Also, you're learning a source of traffic that is completely underutilized and unsaturated. You're learning Facebook Messenger. Less than 1% of affiliate marketers are using this right now, so you're getting in at a really good time. No one else is using this method yet, so it's not oversaturated. If you want to check this program out further, I'm going to link it in the description below. You can watch the entire webinar to get a full tutorial on what this program is about and what's included, linked in the description below. All right, so the third way to make passive income online in 2023. This one is completely different than the first two. The first two had to do with affiliate marketing. This one does not. And it is the most fun way I have ever seen to make money online. It's called Amazon Children's Book Publishing Formula. And it is a training program teaching you how to research, write, and publish a best-selling children's book to Amazon to generate income within 48 hours. So who was it created by and can you trust them? Jay Boyer is a top 500 Amazon author, and he started this business with his 10-year-old son. He has scored over a dozen #1 best-selling children's books on Amazon with this formula, and he currently generates 7 figures per year online with his son. So what's different about this one than every other course? It is actually fun. It's fun. You're just doing something fun, and if people buy it, you're making passive income. And you can do it with your kids or your entire family if you want to. I love it. He shows you his best-selling and most profitable children's book niche in this course. He shares with you his 3 secrets to publishing a top-selling children's book. He teaches you how to come up with a best-selling idea within 3 minutes, even if you've never done anything like this in your whole life. And he teaches you how to publish and launch your children's book quickly and easily and send it to the Amazon bestseller list within 48 hours. So who is this good for? I think that this would be really good for parents wanting to teach their kids something or do something with their kids, some kind of activity that you can learn and do together and possibly make a ton of money from. It's good for anybody that wants to spend more time with their family while making passive income. Anyone looking for a fun and easy way to make money from home without having to do like marketing or selling or internet webpage designing or all the normal things that you could do online. And who would it not be good for? I guess really if you just don't like kids, you probably shouldn't be doing it. Okay, so what does it cost? It's $497 with my link, and I will link it in the description below. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Again, extremely, extremely affordable for all the amount of content that you get in order to build a passive income online business for yourself or with your kids and your family. So here's my final thoughts, just kind of wrap it all up for you again. This is actually a fun way to make passive income online. The creator doesn't fill you with a whole bunch of fluff and hype, he just gives it to you straight. He shows you how to do exactly what he's doing. Children's books are an evergreen market. Kids' books will always be in demand. They will never go off trend or be out of style. It's really easily scaled because you could just make a book series or just keep making books about millions of different topics. It's very affordable compared to other Amazon publishing businesses that I've seen going for around $2,000. And the training systems and software is all included in one price. There's no secret upsells or fees or anything like that. And I have a couple of testimonials here from people who have done it. I'm just going to read to you. I started writing my first kid's book 5 minutes after watching the webinar. It took me 2 hours to complete. So super fast. I now know it's possible to build residual income from Kindle publishing without wasting time or money. I've already written my first children's book this weekend. I'm so excited. We have published over 40 books on Amazon and are making up to $10,000 per month. You taught us how to do it. So that's pretty awesome. I will link the webinar in the description below so you can watch the whole webinar and get an idea of everything that's included and how it works. I really hope that you enjoyed my top 3 ways to make passive income online for 2023, and I hope that you choose today to go out and get free.